If your fat loss has stalled and you think you're doing everything right, this might be why. Because I was in the same spot and I made a mistake that cost me 5 weeks of progress. Because I followed what all the experts were saying and it completely backfired. I thought I was doing something that would speed things up, but it actually slowed everything down. At that point on my diet, things were actually working. I was eating simple foods, staying consistent, and the weight was coming off. I finally felt like I had momentum. Then I thought, all right, this is working so well, let's take it to the next level. So I added intermittent fasting because that's what everyone says to do. But I made a mistake. I started fasting too early and I ended up not eating nearly enough food. And everything stalled. The scale stopped moving for 5 weeks. My energy started dropping again. And mentally, I was stuck thinking, what am I doing wrong? But I didn't change anything because everything I was hearing said this was the right thing to do. And that just made everything worse. Here's what I didn't understand yet. My body wasn't ready for fasting and I wasn't eating enough to support it. I had skipped the foundation and jumped straight into an advanced tool before I was ready. So I stopped fasting and went back to eating 3 meals a day. I made sure I was actually eating enough at each meal and I just focused on being consistent. And everything started working again. The scale started moving down. My energy came back and I finally felt like I was back on track. And that's what's led me to losing 50 pounds in those first 62 days. The lesson is, don't use advanced tools before you build the foundation. What is the foundation? Eat real food. Eat enough food so you're not hungry. Be consistent. Then later, after you build your foundation, you can layer in tools like fasting to accelerate your results. If you want to do this the right way without wasting weeks like I did, watch this next video. I break down the full system step by step so you don't make that mistake. And if you found value in this video, do me a favor and click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more information on how to lose weight quickly. Thanks for watching. Stay strong.